Dear children, today let's study a small topic, Indian and International System of Numeration. This is a new topic from your first chapter. This topic is only from that chapter is needed for your half yearly examination. So let's study Indian and International System of Numeration. Okay, after this module you will be able to understand Indian and International System of Numeration. By using this system we have to write bigger numbers very easily by using commas. Then we have to read it very easily. First we have to study Indian system of numeration. One example, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. We write like this. We use commas for reading this number easily. So, first comma after 3 digit from right side. You remember the side, right side. When we are writing the Arabic letters, we use from right side. From that side, first comma comes after 3 digit. Then we read it as 23,468. Next example, example 2. 50801592. We write giving a single gap between them. Then first comma after 3 digit. Then second comma after 1 digit from right side, that you remember. Then next comma also after 2 digit. That means first comma comes after 3 digit. Then all the other commas comes after every 2 digit. All the other commas comes after every 2 digit. First comma is only after 3 digit and all the other commas comes after every 2 digit. Next, the first 3 digit is in hundreds place. Second section is in thousands place. Next is in lakhs place. Then crores place. Listen this very carefully. First 100, 1000, lakh, crore. That is first 300, then all the other 2 sections. That is second section, thousands place, then lakhs place, then crores place. So now we can write the number name very easily. First we starting from 5 crore, then 8 lakh, 1000 and 592 very easily. Next you can use of commas. In Indian system of numeration, first comma comes after 3 digit and all the other commas come after 2 digit from right. That you remember. From right side only we have to put commas for every numbers. Next we move to questions. Insert commas suitably and write the names according to Indian system of numeration. First question, this is a bigger number, so we write it as like this. Then use commas from right side after 3 digit. First comma after 3 digit here, second comma, third comma. You can see all the commas here. First comma, second comma, third comma. Then first section is 100, second one is 1000, third one is lakh and fourth section is crore. Then we will read this as very simple. 3 crore 89 lakh 57,526. Listen here. 3 crore 89 lakh 57,526. Next question, B question. First comma after 3 digit like this, second comma like this. No comma here because there is no number, so we have to stop here. First session hundreds place, second session thousands place, third session lakh. Then the number name is 58 lakh 42,638. Okay, 58 lakh 42,638. Next, C question. First comma after 3 digits, second comma, third comma. Then 100, 1000, lakh, crore. Okay, crore. Then 9 crore, 84 lakh, 9 crore, 84 lakh, 32,701. 701. This is the method of reading and writing the bigger numbers by using commas in Indian system of numeration. Okay, let's see international system of numeration. A small difference between these two systems. Let's see with the first example. First comma after 3 digit, second comma again after 3 digit. Very simple. So in international system of numeration, all the commas after 3 digits from right side. From right side. Next change is first session is 100, second session is 1000, third session is million, not lakh, crore. Okay, not lakh, crore in international system of numeration. After thousands we use million. We read this as 50 million 801. 801 we normal read it as 801. 801,592. Also very simple. Next example 2. Sorry, not example 2, not question number 2. Yes, question number 2. Insert comma suitably and write the names according to international system of numeration. International system. Question A, we write like this. First comma 3 digit, second comma again 3 digit, after 3 digit. Then first session 100, second session 1000, third session million. We read this as 18,950,000. 950,000. 49. Not hundreds place. Hundreds place is 0 here. So 49. Next B question. We write like this. First comma after 3 digit. Here next comma also again after 3 digit. Then first session 100, second session 1000, third session million. We read it as 70 million and only no hundreds here, only 2 here, 2000. Then 509. C question. First comma 3 digit, second comma again 3 digit. Then this is million, 48 million. Here no hundreds place, so 49,000. Only 49,831. 48 million 49,831. Okay, next we move to another question. Place comma suitably and write the numerals. Here you have number name. We write the name of this, we write the number of these names. 73 lakh 75,307. We put commas. Here you can see 73 lakh 75,307. Here no international or Indian system. Don't specified here. So we write only in our Indian system of numeration. Don't use international system. If here is specified international system, then only you can write this as international system. Then others you use only Indian system of numeration. First comma after 3 digit, then 2 digit. 73 lakh 75,307. Next B question. 9 crore 5 lakh 41. Then we write like this 9 crore 5 lakh. No thousands here, so we put the 0, don't forget to it. Then 41. Next C question 7 crore 52 lakh 71,302. Here 7 lakh 52 lakh 21,302. This is the method of reading and writing bigger numbers by using commas, and two systems we studied, Indian and international system. Okay children, next you have one follow-up activity. The follow-up activity question, listen the question very carefully. How will we write 1 billion? How will we write 1 billion? Not million, billion, B, capital letter B. How will we write 1 billion in numbers? Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you.